wait, sit. Okay, now I want you to look over here. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, good boy, good boy. Was that disturbing? Was that disturbing? Mighty, was that disturbing? Did it disturb you? Disturbed us. You want to watch it again? You want to watch it again? You want to watch it again? He likes it. Wow. Might watch the computer. Heidi, watch. You like it? Like it? 2 girls in a cup? 2 girls in a cup?